I'm talking today about the Jabra 710. I have two of them here to kind of show the functionality when you link two together. These can be standalone as well. They're both Bluetooth devices. You'll notice that they also have USB cables, so these can be plugged into a computer and be used as a speaker that way. They can be connected via Bluetooth. They also are a microphone and speaker all in one. So as far as connecting to phone calls or any of that stuff, that's where this comes in handy. And if you want to use as Bluetooth in a desktop computer and you don't have that functionality on your computer, in the back of the device it actually comes with its own Bluetooth connection. So you can always have Bluetooth if you want it. So one of the main things I wanted to talk about today with this is that this can be used with any Cisco Bluetooth capable phone. So a lot of times we'll see customers where they'll have a desk phone on a president's desk or a vice president's desk or a larger office, and they want to extend that microphone and speaker capability. So this device can connect to the phone and then be brought out to the table wirelessly and allow for surround sound talking, or you can have it for more of a directional. The one thing that I find that I really like about these devices is that it has an amazing sound quality. So from playing music, you'll notice that it has great sound quality by itself. And if you go through and actually link two of these devices together, and they got to be within the same room, they have to be within range of each other. It's not something that you can just connect to, but these have the connection buttons to link them together.
Place another Jabra Speak 710 nearby and press its link button to link them together. Smartphone disconnected.
So you'll notice now that they're both linked together. So now if I go through and play music, you can notice that we get a 3D surround sound capability, which is really nice from these devices. So with these devices compared to the 510, you can now link two of these together to give you 3D surround sound. They come with a kickstand where the 510 did not, so you can have it both flat and up. With easy to use kickstands, they come with the Bluetooth adapter in the back of the device. They can be linked together. You can control your music right from this device as far as volume or any of that stuff. But you can also answer your phone calls and disconnect like you could on the 510. And then these also have the ability to control your Siri from as well. So on the main primary device, I have the button where if I push and hold it, it gives me the ability to activate Siri and use Siri functionality from my phone. It also works with Android with the OK Google as well. Thank you for watching this video on the Jabra 710s.